What?
Good.
Yeah.
Where's some milk?
You need some milk? Where's Ducky?
Under
Yes.
here.
Oh boy.
There's Cooper's barking again.
Again, I know he's always barking.
No.
It's a little crazy.
Now that's funny.
Now that's funny.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now that's annoying is what that is. That too. Tell him, Cooper, be quiet.
Cooper, be quiet.
He's actually on a leash for once? Holy hell.